Welcome to the dinosaur world! Look at the Stegosaurus dinosaurs walking in the Rocky Canyon.
Oh no! The giant log is falling! The path is blocked! First Stegosaurus, second Stegosaurus, third Stegosaurus, and fourth Stegosaurus are very hungry.
Hero Rescue Team.
Today is time to learn the number 4. Dino alert! Emergency!
Dinosaurs are trapped behind a giant log. The dinosaurs have no food.
The giant log is very heavy. DozerGold will use Dozer Yellow to push the giant log.
Arrow Pink will use Copter Pink to find a giant fern leaf for the hungry dinosaurs.
Hero Rescue Team is entering the time portal. The rescue vehicles have arrived in the Rocky Canyon.
Please help! The tum of third Stegosaurus is very empty!
Activating scanner to check the giant log. Targets found. The hungry dinosaurs are safe behind the giant log. Time to count. 1, first Stegosaurus. 2, second Stegosaurus. 3, third Stegosaurus. 4, fourth Stegosaurus. 4 hungry dinosaurs. Dozer Yellow is ready to push. Push. The giant log is very heavy. The path is clear. The path is open, but the dinosaurs need food. Arrow Pink, find the giant fern leaf.
Arrow Pink is flying to find food. One giant fern leaf. 2 giant fern leaf. 3 giant fern leaf. 4 giant fern leaf. Food is ready. Yum yum. First Stegosaurus, second Stegosaurus, third Stegosaurus, and fourth Stegosaurus are very happy.
FO4 delicious leaves for 4 hungry dinosaurs.
Thank you, Hero Rescue Team. The food is great.
Mission complete. Hero Rescue Team counted 4 hungry dinosaurs. Great job. That is the number FO4. Hero Rescue Team.
Dinosaur Rescue.
Oh no! F5 dinosaur eggs are rolling into the lava! Join Hero Rescue Team next time!